saying that not people love cats as pets. They're saying that people love cats as pets, and that's an opinion, and nobody is saying it.
So, cats are feline creatures. Fact or not fact? Fact, right? Nobody pointed out to Ms. Hughes that she about to pluralize creatures. Nice job, guys. Now, fact. If you are including things like facts, stuff that we could go out, look up, and find evidence for, you don't always need to quote it, unless it's a really obscure fact, okay? That not many people would know or believe. But that's really like nuanced, and that's where you guys are right now. So, if you are quoting something that is simple fact, commonly known, the earth revolves around the sun. The sun will rise in the east. These are incontrovertible facts. You do not need to quote them, everyone knows them. Now, if you're using an opinion or a little known fact, that is one of those things that you want to drop quotes around, because someone's going to want to know exactly what was said, exactly who said it, and where to find it in order to prove that what is being said is true. Okay? Fact, no quote. Opinion, or something that is contestable, right, arguable, quote. All right? So, I want you guys to please take a look at what this looks like. You will notice here that your citations and these citations should have a lot in common, soon as I can get them to show up. Please pause for technical difficulties. All right, we're going to make it work, okay? Now, the Scholastic article entitled Malala the Powerful, said the source, states that, we've got a transition, 79% out of all out-of-school children in North America are girls. Fact or opinion?
Fact.
Good. Quote or no quote?
No quote.
Good. As opposed to, according to, transition, the article called Malala the Powerful, source, the Taliban had been planning to kill Malala because she was not only a girl, but a crusader for girls' rights to go to school. Fact or opinion?
Fact.
Ooh, I see a mixed bag. Can someone raise their hand and tell me, what's the difference? What about this one? Fact or opinion, why or why not? So now you seem to have some strong opinions. Go ahead.
I said a fact because first you took that right out of the article, which and then you quoted it.
Okay, so it's a fact because I took it right out of the article and I quoted it. Anybody agree or disagree with that? Go ahead, Alexis.
I disagree with that because even though you did take it out of the source or whatever, it could still be an opinion even though it's not a person.
Are the people who wrote Scholastic News telepaths? Do they have the power to read minds?
No.
Conceivably, no, right? Those are anything's possible, right?
What?
I said anything's possible. So, if we don't actually have this out of the mouths of these people, right? And unless we're mind readers, which none of our are, if you are, see me later, we have talking to do, okay? You have to quote it. Why? Because it is Scholastic's report that the Taliban was going to kill her because she's a girl. We don't actually have that straight out of their mouths. It's not the Taliban writing the article. So in this case, even though it comes out of an article, Alexis is right? Because not everything that we see in the news is fact. I know that's right. Yeah, Norman's nodding. Norman knows. Okay, so guys, here's what I would like you to do. I would like you to open up to your homework, and I would like you to put a page side by side that says 11.3, citing facts. So your paper, your blank paper in front of you should look exactly like this.
Is it not our binders?
Yep. Citing facts. You know, just because I have the ability to time travel does not mean you need to criticize me.
Is it not binders?
Yes, please, on a clean page in your entry section, if you would be so kind. Hey, that's fine for right now, but we'll get it in your book, okay? We want that in your binder. Now, for those of you who are sitting here and thinking to yourself, oh crap, but I didn't do my homework last night, that's okay. Because you have the articles right in front of you. You can feel free to pull quotes out of there. However, you're going to have to do double the work and half the time. Sucks for you. Captain, show me that everyone's ready with a thumbs up when you have your homework out side by side with a blank page. Pink is ready to go. I like that. I have a few points for the next table, which looks like gold. Orange table set to roll. Thank you. purple table, thank you so much. Got you? All right, thank you. Now, guys, here's what I want you to do today. I would like you to please practice pulling some of those quotes that you grabbed and writing them in the same format I did. So, I want you to please take 3 of your facts. 3 of your, you know what, let's start with 1. You guys want to do a trial run on 1? Yeah? Okay. What I would like you guys to please do as a table, each of you must have on your paper written down 1 fact from your research. Now that fact must include the source, a transition from that anchor chart in big red, and a quote or not a quote. Do you think that you can get 1 fact from your homework written individually and silently in about 1.5 minutes? Or do you want 2? Okay, in 2 minutes, individually and silently, you must have 1 fact recorded and cited on your paper in the same way that I did up here. On 3, 2, 1, go. Silent and independent. Remember, if you don't have your homework from last night, you should be pulling something out of the articles in front of you. For those of you who didn't do your homework last night, right, you're just going to have to practice with that one. But that doesn't apply to you, so go ahead and use your information. Okay?